Hi, this is Vaibhav, your EJ. So here I bring you another brain teaser. In this brain teaser, you got to cross 4 people A, B, C and D, cross the bridge. They have different speeds according to which A takes 3 minutes to cross the bridge, B takes 7 minutes, C takes 13 minutes and D takes 17 minutes to cross it. The thing is that the bridge is a little rickety, so at a time a maximum of 2 people can be present on it. So what you have to find out is the minimum time taken by them to cross the bridge. So here you have the bridge and here are your people. Let's be A, B, C and D. A takes 3 minutes, B takes 7 minutes, C takes 13 minutes and D takes 17 minutes to cross the bridge. So you have to find the minimum time required by them to cross the bridge. At the first sight it looks like a problem of hit and trial. But let me tell you that there is a logic behind this problem. So try solving it and for help move towards this hint. So what is the best thing that you can do? Say suppose according to you they take X minutes to complete it. So the most efficient way of them crossing the bridge would be that for this entire X minutes, for the entire X minutes, 2 people are present on the bridge. That for this entire X minutes, the bridge is completely occupied. That is, the bridge is working at its maximum efficiency of 2 people. And you cannot do better than this. So this would be the answer. So try and find a combination which will satisfy this condition, and that would be the answer. So it's quite easy to find the answer now. Anyway, just try it out, and still if you don't get it, then see the solution. So let me draw a time scale. So say suppose this is our timeline. This is t equals to 0, this is t equals to 5, this is t equals to 10, this is t equals to 15, this is t equals to 20, and so on. So we have 4 people A, B, C and D. A is taking 3 minutes to cross, B is taking 7 minutes, C is taking 13 minutes and D is taking 17 minutes to cross the bridge. Now as I told earlier, the logic behind the problem is to keep the bridge completely booked for the entire duration. So let us work out how do we make pairs so that minimum time is consumed and we're gonna keep the bridge busy for the entire duration. So let us assume that there are 2 paths on the bridge, this one and this one. Someone would walk on this path and someone else would walk on this path. So if we make 2 people or 3 people walk on this path in such a way that the sum of time taken by them on this path is equals to the sum of the time taken by the leftover persons on the second path. So if we keep, say suppose, if we keep D reserved for this path and if we add up this time taken by A, B, C, then it would come out to be 23. 23 crosses 17. So this would not keep the bridge busy for the entire duration. And say suppose out of the blues, I make a pair of A and D and the leftover are B and C. So A and D together take 17 plus 3, 20 minutes to cross the bridge, and B and C together take again 7 plus 13 equals to 20 minutes to cross the bridge. So this gives us the perfect pairs. Now let's proceed further. So these are our paths as we assumed earlier. A and D gonna walk this one and B and C are gonna walk this one. So at t equals to 0, A and B leave. So here A leaves on path 1 and B leaves on path 2. This one is path 1 and this one is path 2. Now if you see, at t equals to 3 minutes, A would arrive and B would still be in its path. As soon as A arrives the other end, I'm gonna ask D to leave. So D leaves at t equals to 3. A has left at t equals to 0 already. B also left at t equals to 0. So A has reached and D leaves. Now at the end of 7th minute, t equals to 7 would be somewhere here. B would have reached his destination. So B reaches and D would somewhere be in his path. As soon as B reaches, part 2 goes empty. So I would ask C to leave. So here C leaves. So C leaves at t equals to 7 minutes. Now if we see that D has left at 3 minutes, he takes 17 minutes to cross the bridge. So D is gonna reach here at t equals to 20 minutes. Also if we see that C has left at t equals to 7, he is gonna take 30 minutes to cross the bridge. So C would also reach here at t equals to 20 minutes. So this way, we have kept the bridge busy for the entire duration, and hence, this is the minimum time. So the answer is, with all these given conditions, they will take a minimum of 20 minutes to cross the bridge.